Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add a profile picture to your WhatsApp account. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the WhatsApp application, open up WhatsApp, and then you want to go over to the settings in the bottom right, click on that, and then just click on your top account there, just where it says your username and stuff. And then you just go up to the top where it says add photo, click on that, and you could either take a photo here or choose one, so we'll click on choose. And then we'll head into pictures and just choose a photo. Click on choose, and then you'll notice there that you now have a photo in your WhatsApp account. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.